Hi everyone, it's me again. Listen, remember when I spoke to you about the birds and everything? As soon as I did that video, this bird's nest fell out of nowhere. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it sort of like a Blair Witch thing. I shouldn't have touched it. I shouldn't have messed with it, whatever. But if I just pick it up and put nature back where it belongs. This is how I found it, okay? So I'm just going to walk over and I'll show you another bird's nest. Can you see that up there? No, you can't. Okay. Look. I shall put this back where I found it. I don't even like touching it. I hate touching nature because nature's so precious these days, you know. And I think must be where that stick is. See that stick? Yeah. But look at that. Such a good fucking bird's nest. But look, I'm going to put it back. I just don't know quite how. Let me bend down. And I'll just... No David Attenborough or anything like that, but that's a bloody good bird's nest, don't you think? So I'm just gonna... That's how I found it. Upside down. Like that. So that's how I'll leave it, okay? Yeah, that's how I'll leave it. Alrighty then. And we'll leave it at that.